Welcome to my channel where the real ones ride, the fakes hide, and the truth stays alive. Let's lock in because it's about to get heavy. Hey, CML made a video giving game to the Sac guys out there. You know what I mean? There's a lot of talent out there, but he broke it down and how to structure a hit song, right? So I created one with the structure that he talked about.
Add some substance to your music. Make a love song. You get what I'm saying? We all go through love. You feel what I'm saying? We all probably done had a heartbreak. We all probably then got burned before and had an STD. You know what I'm saying? We coming up in the projects, dealing with these females who dealing with everybody. Like, you got to be real with yourself and make the world feel you if you want to make a hit record. You get what I'm saying? What are you making music for? You making music to stay in Sacramento? You making music to stay on Mac Road? You making music to stay in G Parkway? You making music to stay on 4th Avenue? That what you doing? You making music to stay on Elm Street? Like, that's not what we doing. You get what I'm saying? That's not the plan I had. You get what I'm saying? And a lot of y'all Sacramento artists, y'all got talent. Y'all got potential. You feel me? Y'all just making the wrong kind of songs. Y'all structuring y'all songs wrong. Y'all not making hooks in y'all songs. Y'all just rapping long verses. Start making a hook in y'all songs. Let me teach you how to make a song. Start your song off with a hook. Boom, 8-bar hook. Rap for 12 bars. Let the hook come back in another 8 bars. Maybe a bridge, a 4-bar bridge, then a 4-bar verse, then another hook. You get what I'm saying? That's how you structure a song. Every song don't need to be just a long 3-minute verse. No. You get.
Tell me if it's a hit. Hey, but stay tuned. After the song, I've got a message though, a good one, about the homies that you think you have.
Yeah. Say.
Teenage love.
Yeah. Teenage love, I was deep in the game. Red rag tied tight while I scream my name. Ride for the homies, let the pistol spark flames. Till the feds kicked the door and destroyed everything. Now I'm cold in the cell with my thoughts at night. Realized the streets never held me right. Like a heartbreak hit when they took my life. Teenage love with the streets ain't right. I was only 14 when the block hugged me. Street lights glowing while the OGs drugged me. Taught me how to hustle, taught me how to ride. Taught me keep it silent, never run, never hide. First pistol in my hand, felt power and pride. First homie that died, made something inside die. Started banging for respect, not fame. Now every enemy face burnt in my brain. Skip school just to post on the Ave all day. Dreaming one day I'd be a king on the way. Late nights and stolen rides with the heat tucked low. Young wild gangsters yelling let's go. Thought the hood was forever, thought the love was true. To them same streets turned they back on the crew. I gave my soul to the turf and the coast. Never knew one day you'd leave me alone. I love the streets like a ride or die white. But the streets brought pain in the prison life. Thought I had loyalty, thought I had fame. Till the feds came through and changed the game. Teenage love, I was deep in the game. Red rag tied tight while I scream my name. Ride for the homies, let the pistol spark flames. Till the feds kicked the door and destroyed everything. Now I'm cold in the cell with my thoughts at night. Realized the streets never held me right. Like a heartbreak hit when they took my life. Teenage love, yeah, the streets ain't right. Yeah, wiretaps buzzing, helicopters in the sky. Feds building cases while we living that lie. I was state to state, moving packs on the low. Young mob star thinking money was growth. Till one dawn hit hard with a battering ram. Flashlights on my face had me cuffed while I stand. Mama crying while they tossed up the spot. Every dream I built froze right on the clock. Sat me on the floor talking, you on your way up. But they meant fed chains in a great bus. Shackled at the ankles while I stared at the floor. Thinking all them years what I really fought for. Now the cell got quiet and the demons got loud. No homies in the room when your tears fall down. That teenage love turned cold overnight. Now I sleep with regrets every damn night. Concrete walls and a steel bunk bed. Demons in my dreams while they live in my head. No letters from the block, no calls from the crew. That's when I learned the streets ain't true. Teenage love, I was deep in the game. Red rag tied tight while I scream my name. Ride for the homies, let the crystal spark flames. Till the feds kicked the door and destroyed everything. Now I'm cold in the cell with my thoughts Realized the streets never held me right. Like a heartbreak hit when they took my life. Teenage love with the streets ain't right. I seen killers turn rats when the pressure got real. Seen tough guys fall when they facing that steel. Seen mothers lose sons to the game and drugs. Seen fathers disappear over guns and plugs. The hood ain't loyal, it just feeds off pain. Youngsters throw signs just to feel they name, but they don't know the cost when the judge read years. Or them lonely nights drowning inside your fears. Ain't no gang signs when your child don't know you. Ain't no black love when your girl outgrow you. The streets like a woman that cheating lie. Smile in your face while your soul slowly die. I gave everything just to earn my stripes. Now I trade all that just to rewind life. But scars on my heart made the lessons stick. The streets ain't love, just a beautiful trick. Now I move different, wiser with age. Turn my pain and my truth to a mic and stage. Still got love for the homies I lost in war, but I won't let the streets take my soul no more. Teenage love, I was deep in the game. Red rag tied tight while I scream my name. Ride for the homies, let the pistol spark flames. Till the feds kicked the door and destroyed everything. Now I'm cold in the cell with my thoughts at night. Realized the streets never held me right. Like a heartbreak hit when they took my life. Teenage love, the streets ain't right. Now I'm older looking back at the path I chose. All the blood on the curb and the funeral clothes. Every tattoo got a story of pain. Every scar on my soul got a dead homie name. I still hear the springs when the lights go low. Still feel that cold from them prison rolls. But I survived what was meant to destroy me. Now I speak truth for the young homies before me. You can love the hood, but don't let it blind. Cause the streets take souls one life at a time. 1 minute you king, with the world in hand. Next.
You know, it's funny how life will set you up with illusions. You grow up thinking you got homies, thinking that everybody who laughs with you, who posts up on a block with you, who rides around with you late night bumping music, is gonna be there when the storm comes. And then that day comes, the door slam, cuffs, get locked on your wrist, and you take that first ride in the back of a sheriff's car, cop car, a marshal's car, right? It don't feel real at first, but reality starts to sink in. You ain't got your phone, you ain't got your freedom, and most importantly, you start realizing real quick who's really in your corner. County jail, prison. Jail teach you faster than any teacher, any classroom, any lecture in life. Because when you're sitting on that cold bunk, waiting on chow, waiting on mail call, that's when it hits. You start to notice how many of those homies that said, I got you, bro. I'll slide. I'll put money on your books. I'll write you. I'll check in with your family. All them promises vanish like smoke in the wind. You'll sit there looking at that empty mail call, and the CO don't ever call your name. You'll sit there checking that trust account, seeing nothing on your books. And all them late nights riding and laughing don't mean a thing, because now you're sitting in silence. Just you and your thoughts. See, the thing is, it ain't even about being mad at people. You realize quick, this world is selfish. Everybody got their own problems, their own lives, their own bills, their own families. You thought you were the center of their world because you were the loudest on the block. But once you're behind them walls, life goes on without you. And it's a cold, humbling reality to face. That girl you thought was solid might not answer them calls after the second month. That homie you thought would always slide ain't even visiting. And the promises of forever loyalty start sounding real fake when you're sitting by yourself with nothing but time. I've seen it happen over and over. Dudes walking in there with 100 people on the outside screaming their names. Free the homie. That's my bro. That's my dog. 2 months later, quiet. 6 months later, forgotten. And it crushes you inside, but it also teaches you something nobody can ever take away from you. The only real one who has to ride with you until the end is you. You're the one that gotta sit in that cell. You're the one that gotta face the consequences of your choices. Ain't no crew in the cell with you. It's your body, your time, and your number. And then you start thinking, was it worth it? Was that moment of pride, that hustle, that split-second decision that led you to them cuffs worth what you now see? Was it worth gambling your life on people who can't even send you a letter? County jail, prison has a way of pulling the mask off everybody around you. You see through their fake, through the talk, through the illusions. What's crazy is some of the realest people you'll meet while you're down ain't even the ones you knew from the streets. It'll be a stranger you never kicked it with, sliding you a soup or a coffee because you're hungry. It'll be somebody you met in there who says, "Here, you good? You straight?" While the ones you called brother on the outside ain't doing nothing for you. And that's the heartbreaking truth. Sometimes your blood ain't blood, and your circle ain't as solid as you thought. But let me tell you this, don't let that break you. Let it wake you. That's the real education. Life is a filter. It'll separate the loyal from the fake, the solid from the soft. County jail, prison is just one of the harshest filters out there. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. You come out different. Some people get bitter, some people get stronger, but if you're smart, you use that pain as fuel. Because let's be real, nobody really owes you nothing. That's what you gotta understand. You made them choices. You walked that road. So it's on you to face it like a man. And once you accept that, you start freeing yourself from the hurt of why ain't nobody checking in on me. They ain't you. They ain't in your shoes. That was your mission. And if you come out, don't ever forget that loneliness you felt. Don't ever forget that silence. Because that silence is alive teaching you to value the ones who really do stay. Even if it's just one or two people. Cherish them. Don't take them for granted. Now let me switch gears into something positive. Because I know some of you listening might be sitting in there, might be sitting in that situation right now. Or maybe you've been through it. Or maybe you're on the verge of going down that same road. Let me tell you, don't wait on the county or prison to teach you who's real. Don't wait until the cuffs lock for you to realize how lonely that life gets. Learn now. Look at your circle with clear eyes. Ask yourself, if I was locked up tomorrow, who would really ride? And if the answer is nobody, then why are you living for their approval today? This is where the growth happens. It's when you start saying, I'm done chasing that fake love. I'm done trying to prove to people who won't even prove back. Life ain't about stacking names around you. It's about stacking value inside you. Your kids, your family, your goals, your peace. That's what's real. Don't let a gang or a crowd or an image trick you into thinking that's love. Love is who answers the phone. Love is who visits. Love is who's still there when it ain't fun anymore. So I say this, to the ones in the county, in prison right now, to the ones just getting out, to the ones trying to avoid it, don't let the cycle repeat. Break it. Use that pain as a lesson, not a tattoo you wear with pride, because pride don't feed your family. Pride don't send you money on your books. Pride don't hug your kids while you're gone. And to the ones listening who ain't never been in but think it's cool, let me keep it real with you. Ain't nothing cool about staring at a wall for 23 hours a day. Ain't nothing gangster about begging a CO for an extra roll of toilet paper. Ain't nothing funny about your stomach growling because you're eating cold chow or ain't got enough food. That gangster image y'all see on Instagram, don't show the lonely nights. Don't show the ones who fold. Don't show the mothers crying at visits. That's the truth. So to wrap this all up, yeah, you might think your homies got you. You might think you'll never be alone, but life's gonna test that. And when it does, don't crumble, learn, adapt, grow, Be the man who doesn't need a crowd to validate him. Be the man who can stand tall alone. Because when them doors close, all you got is you. And the real ones, if you're lucky enough to have any. Hey, salute and respects to all.